Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we will learn about English phrases for meeting someone. Greetings. Hello. Hi there. Good morning, afternoon, or good evening. Introduction. Nice to meet you. My name is Aliza. What's your name? Polite inquiries. How are you? How's your day going? What do you do for a living? Expressing pleasure. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm delighted to make your acquaintance. I have heard a lot about you. Small talks. What brings you here? Have you been to current location before? How's the weather treating you? The bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.